Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Helena Pergamin. In this tutorial I will provide you with step-by-step how to create this interesting and beautiful lace pattern. Create a slip knot and chain 24 stitches. To begin a new row, you need to chain 5, and we're going to work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into 7 stitch from the hook. But make sure don't finish your stitch completely, because we're going to create a cluster stitch. Yarn over into a loop, pull once, pull through 2 loops, keep 2 loops on a hook. Now yarn over, skip 2 chain stitches, pull once, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 stitches on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Chain 2, skip 2, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 2, and work 1 treble UK or 1 double US into the same stitch, chain 2, skip 2, and we're going to combine 2 stitches into 1 again. Yarn over, insert your hook into a stitch, pull once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, keep 2 loops, yarn over, skip 2, pull once, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops on a hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, chain 2, skip 2, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 2, and work 1 treble crochet UK or 1 double US into the same stitch, chain 2, skip 2, and work cluster stitch again by not completing the stitch at first, skip 2, chain 2, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into last stitch of your work. Here's how the first row looks like. To begin row 2, chain 8, turn your work, turn your chain, reposition the hook, skip this part and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into a first stitch that looks like a V shape, chain 2, and work 1 treble UK or 1 double US into a second stitch of the V shape, chain 5, and work 1 treble UK turn, so 1 double US turns into a stitch that are part of the V shape, chain 2, and work another 1 treble UK turn, so 1 double US turns into a second stitch of the V shape, chain 5, and finish with 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into a third chain stitch, to begin row 3, chain 3, turn your work, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into a third chain stitch, chain 2, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into the same stitch, chain 2, and we are going to work cluster stitch again. Yarn over, pull once, pull through 2 loops, keep 2 loops on the hook, yarn over into next stall stitch, pull once, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, and pull through all 3 loops, chain 2, and work 2 treble crochet UK turns, so 2 double crochet US turns into a third chain stitch, and place 2 chain stitches between them. We're going to work cluster stitch again, yarn over into a stitch, pull once, pull through 2 loops, keep 2 loops on the hook, yarn over into another toe stitch, pull once, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops, and pull through all 3 loops, chain 2, and work 2 treble crochet UK turns, so 2 double crochet US turns into a third chain stitch, and place 2 chain stitches between them. And complete the row with 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a third chain stitch. To begin row 4, chain 3, and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a first V-shaped stitch, chain 2, and work 1 treble UK turns or 1 double US turns into a second V-shaped stitch, chain 5, skip 5, and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 2, skip 2, and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 5, skip 5, and work 1 treble UK turns or 1 double US turns into a stitch, chain 2, skip 2, and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns, and finish with 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into chain stitch. If you look at the pattern diagram, you can see that row number 5 is similar to row number 1. Row number 6 will be similar to row number 2, row number 7 will be similar to row number 3, and so on. You can continue follow the pattern. On the right I provide you a diagram in 2 colors for easy reading, and on the left is in 1 color. Thank you for watching. I hope you had great experience. I'm looking forward to working with you on the next project. For those who are new to my channel, if you like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.